Sinasabi niya na marami daw akong dahilan kung bakit hindi ako pumipirma sa partial report. Ngunit mas marami akong katanungan sa kanyang sariling mga dahilan kung bakit hindi matapos-tapos ang investigasyon ng Blue Ribbon patungkol sa bagay na ito. May mga napako at pabago-bagong desisyon tulad ng Abril 14, naka-schedule ang pagpapatuloy ng hearing sa Blue Ribbon Committee ngunit biglang ipinagpaliban. Ngayon naman, ang kondisyon sa partial report na hindi raw magpapatuloy, Ginoong Pangulo, ang pagdinig hanggat hindi napipirmahan ang partial report. Isa itong malinaw na pag-atras sa nauna niyang sagot sa akin nung siya'y direktang tanungin ko sa bulwagang ito, Ginoong Pangulo. Gaya ng pagtiyak niyang ipagpapatuloy ang investigasyon nang lumabas ang balita tungkol sa pagkahuli ni Zaldico. The quest for truth has been effectively hostaged by the whims of the chairperson who emphasized that he respects the decision of his members, but then said that there will no longer be any hearings unless and until the partial report has been signed. He also said that he wants a healthy discussion, yet won't accept any interpellations. Ano po ba talaga, kuya? Senator Lacson is indeed consistently inconsistent, invoking transparency when convenient, but resisting accountability the moment questions are directed at him and his report. Mr. President, are all members of the committee mandated or obligated to sign committee reports? Can members of the BRC be compelled to sign a partial report? There is nothing in our rules that say so, Mr. President, because his statements appears to imply that the delay in the release of the committee's partial report is the fault of the committee members themselves. How can the chair say that refusal to sign is tantamount to blocking the committee report? Isn't it the minority who submitted the so-called minority report to awaken the committee chair in submitting the report that was long overdue? Siya ay iniluklok ng taong bayan sa posisyon dahil sa tiwala nila sa isang tinaguriang independent fiscalizer ng Senado. Kuminsan nga, Ginoong Pangulo, ay na-associate siya bilang corruption czar, moral crusader, Mr. Clean, Mr. Righteous, Holy Willy, Grabbuster. Ngunit imbis na gampanan ang kanyang tungkulin sa mamamayan, gumagawa pa siya ng isang imposibleng kondisyon, ang pagpirma sa partial committee report para lamang hindi ituloy ang pagdinig.